Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about HP printer installation request. Please follow the ongoing instruction now. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with your HP online printer setup request. Here are the steps you can follow. 1. First, make sure your HP printer is connected to your computer and turned on. 2. Visit the HP support website at https://support.hp.com/s-n/drivers. 3. Type your HP printer model and click Search. 4. Select your operating system from the list of options and click Download to download the driver software. 5. Once the download is complete, locate the download file on your computer and double-click it to start the installation process. 6. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation process. 7. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. 8. Test your printer to make sure it's working properly. 9. If you encounter any problems during the installation process, you can check the HP's customer support website or contact HP customer care for help.